Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to add groups or menu groups, which is down here at the bottom next to the exit button. Yours might say menu, or maybe it may say something different, but if you click on that, it'll show you all the different menu groups that you have. And the menu group is what holds your sections, and then your sections, of course, hold the items. So if we wanted to see a bar menu, I don't have one completed here, but you would see the beer, wine, and then the different type of liquors, and then food would obviously show all the food menus, etc., etc. I want to create one for catering so that I have a separate menu just for catering items. So when able to do that, we're going to need to go to the admin portal. Okay, now that we're on the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us, you need to go to your menu up here at the top left and go to account menu. And then go down to groups. Like I said, I also like to call this menu groups because of the different type of menus. So I've already got some here, and I could click on one of these and just duplicate it. That's one way of doing it. I'm just going to go and create one from scratch. Now, if you're setting up your whole system from scratch and you don't have any groups in here yet at all, you'd probably see your add groups here in the middle somewhere. Otherwise, go to the add new up here, and we're just going to call this one catering. Now, a start date and end date is not necessary, but I'm going to go ahead and start. I'll just go ahead and throw in a start date, but I'm not going to add an end date. Use specific hours means that this menu group is only going to be available during certain times. I don't see a need to add that on this one. But if you did decide you wanted to do that, you just click on that, and then you would choose a specific day, and then you could add as many days as you want, and then you would just adjust the time frame. Also, don't forget that you got these question mark icons here, so you can hover over those with your mouse or stylus, and it'll give you an explanation or description on what that section means. Okay, and then assigned sections. I don't have a section created for this yet, but if I had a section that I wanted to use here, then I would go on ahead and assign that. If you need to know how to create sections, please see my other video for creating sections. And then this one here is whether or not it's available online. I do want to leave it available online because I do want my catering menu to be available there. And then this, of course, is for kiosk and skip the line. So it doesn't hurt anything to leave it checked, even if you don't have either of those. And then don't forget to hit save down here at the bottom. Make sure you get your save successful thing that popped up there in the bottom right. And then don't forget to publish the changes. After you publish, it's actually not going to show up on the workstation yet, because there's nothing assigned to it quite yet. So the next step is to add a section or create a section to add to it, and then to add items to that section and able to get that to show up on the workstation. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.